Commitment and dedication for supporting that is Pastor Shepherd Bushira and his wife. You said something interesting to me earlier when we spoke. You said, guilty or not, you support it.
Yes, I support him whether he is guilty or whether he is not guilty, because just because he is guilty, it doesn't mean he's guilty.
Guilty, you say whether he's found guilty, he's still your leader, he's still your father.
Yes. He is my mother, he is my father, he is my husband, my girlfriend, my prophet. Major one.
How can you still believe that they are prophets when they did not see their own arrest coming? And
He knew. God told him, but God said maybe visit the prisoners and the prison warders, because there's a lot of dark oxygen. Moyo mnyama nje ezinale prisons. Futhi ubaba Mncwane was a great performer and he provided for his family. That is why now I am in short with Otto in general.
That you are committed and you believe in the spiritual leader. Talk to us about why.
An African proverb, ungenapi. And to the ones who are busy gossiping bad things about Major One, I want you to know this. Ngase, please read verse 4. Mind your own business. Major One will sort you out. Is coming out. And I will remind you, Major One has connections and tenders in heaven. Oh, my tables are